Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera and then tap on this gear icon to access its settings. And here you can find countdown, which is basically just a timer. You can set it on 3, 5 or 10 seconds. So let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works perfectly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.